Run the code and show the output. So line touch the ball and the game is over. So this is a game. I will restart the game. And I restart the game. But now I explain the code of this game. The math library, random library, and collection DQ is used. Thinker TK is used. The width, height of the FPS, DD, and the all variable are defined. The clamp function is defined, and max wrapper return B minus C distance is defined, and particles game objects are defined. Show waves. Echo replay the player passed from echo delay second ago. It was points stored in history with linear interpolations. Same post, sample post, add dissolve near. These are all the functions and the functions written as a in Python, which have some functionality and sample time window. This is a sample time window, self time echo delay plus sample time collide with. When collide with the game is over and draw. There is a draw code which draw neon polygon representing the path around our current time window. The path which is draw and history. This is a init function is defined where all variables is defined, and add function which is adding the time and get position at a time. If the clamp is happen, the self point get segment betweens. There is another function return the list of line segment with T0 and T1 class orbs. Class there is a class main game. This is a main game is defined is a neon thick code which is title is given, break is given, and a rest reset. If game is over, then reset the game and restart the game. On key down. On key up. These are function key up and key down are moving the ball or echo. Swap orbits, loops, quit, update, draw player, draw particles and draw hub, draw game over and draw. These are all code. I hope I can explain the code as well. If I some mistake. And so I am new to this. Please ignore that and this is a game of code. Eco fresh game. So now I will again on the corner play the game.